split position of that step happening with only part weight moving. Because the most common mistake, even I see for people who dance for many, many years, they move, they don't pay attention how the weight transferring, and they change weight same time. So what happens in that, the music play, you step here, everything change same time, maybe you have a little action, but it's gonna feel like you're always struggling with your balance. But if you notice in this position, the balance is pretty strong, solid, plus you have a room to maneuver, to play, and to continue your actions. So this position is the key. Even though it's when you practice, it feels quite artificial, but when in the music and the flow, it looks great and very helpful. And that's the right way of doing it, the best way of doing it. So again, so we release hip, going into split position, making sure our hips stay on the opposite side. Now from here, we need to study and explore how to transfer weight. So first we have to understand, we have 50% weight in our goal from 50% get to the 100%. So we will have a feel of the pushing from the front leg, and we can, with our hands, do a little bit this gesture, like we're pushing from the wall. And through that pushing, the weight start changing more and more and more until 100% is on this leg. And you will notice that as we transfer weight, the front leg start releasing and pointing. Therefore, this is another mistake what people do. They transfer weight and they try just to point the feet. So the pointing of the foot is being always a result of gradual weight transferring. So the foot being released, therefore pointed. So we're gonna later go in depth into every single stage, but these are just small pointers. So let's do it again. We release hip, we have a step, heel down. Now we have a transferring. Now here, for the collecting the leg on the leg passing, we try to use this rotary move, and we're gonna have slight feel of collecting our tummy, slight feel of elevation, and that brings our bends. So this rotation creates the knee bendingness and bring this leg under our body. And from here, we're ready to do exactly the same. So now our hip is on the right side. And actually, what I like to do before I step, I kind of lowering that, settling, releasing weight to my standing leg, and step happening again. How we do step? We split the weight, we keep the hip on the opposite side. From here, we imagine like we're pushing from something, and that pushing gradually transfers our weight and releasing the front leg. So we have a look of the point, and now from here we have a rotation to collect the leg under your body again. So I'll do exactly the same, facing forward. So we start here. We release our weight. Now clearly my hip is on the left.